In today's video, I'll teach you how to rent a house in realestate.com.au. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in realestate.com.au. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of realestate.com.au. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here, you'll be able to find the options like buy, rent, sold, address and agents. So if you want to rent the house, simply click on this option rent that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is search for the suburb, postcode or state in which you want to rent the house. Simply click on the search bar. Now enter the suburb, postcode or state over here. Now once you do that, click on this option search that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You can see all the houses that you can rent. So what you have to do is simply click on the house that you would like to rent. Now after you do that, you'll be able to get more information regarding that house over here. You can simply scroll down to access more information. Right over here, you'll also be able to view the photos if you want. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find more information. Also, you'll be able to find the price of the rent over here. So if you're satisfied with it and if you want to rent it, what you have to do is simply get in touch with the agent. For that, click on this option get in touch that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to get in touch with the agent. You'll be able to see the question over here. What's your inquiry about? You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Likewise, you can enter the message of your choice if you want. For that, click on the field of message. After you do that, you'll be able to enter your message over here. Likewise, enter the name. Now what you have to do is enter the email address. Make sure to provide the correct email address. Now you can also enter the phone number if you want. Now after you provide all these informations, click on this option send inquiry that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your inquiry has been sent. Now your agent will contact you via the contact method that you provided. Through it, you'll be able to contact your agent. They'll guide you what you need to do in order to rent the house. After you do that, you'll be able to officially rent the house. So that is how you rent house in realestate.com.au. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.